What's up, guys? Welcome back to channel. And today we are going to build a automatic street light circuit. So you can use it to light up bulbs automatically um, uh, when it gets dark, and the bulbs will turn automatically off uh, when the sun comes up. And uh, using this simple circuit, you can automate the process, and you won't need switches for outdoor lights. So you will need a few components. You will need a triac and a diac, which I'm using is the DB3 Diac, and a 100K potentiometer, a 100K resistor, LER bulb, and a AC cord. You don't need the AC cord if you are uh, connecting the circuit inside the bulb. So uh, when initially powered on, let's say it's at night, um, the resistance here is higher than the resistance here between these pins. So the current will flow from here to here, and the bulb lights up. And when it's daytime, the light will hit the LDR, and the resistance of the LDR decreases. So the current flows from here to here, and it blocks the current flowing from here to here. So that's how it works. So let's get start building it. So these are the components you need: the triac, the potentiometer, the diac, the resistor, and the LDR. I'm going to test the circuit with this fan because I have already connected the wires to the fan and this plug. So let's start doing it. I am using the BT 137. You can use the B3 BT136 also. So first I'm connecting the LDR like so, and and I can connect the resistor to here. Okay. Now let's connect our power. But so now we have connected the circuit. Um, now we can plug it in. So it started turning, and when I put my screwdriver on top of the LDR, it starts to speed up. See, and when I turn on the lights, um, you can see So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future upcoming videos.